How much can a nation transform in just over 3 decades? In the case of Azerbaijan, the answer is a resounding, quite significantly. Azerbaijan, a land of mesmerizing beauty, deep-rooted history and rich culture, emerged from the ashes of the Soviet Union in 1991. What it looked like then and what it is now make for an intriguing tale of transformation. Back in 1991, the newly independent Azerbaijan was grappling with political instability, economic uncertainty, and a burgeoning identity crisis. The country was on the brink of an arduous journey, one that would test its resilience, tenacity, and spirit. As the new millennium dawned, the early 2000s saw Azerbaijan slowly but surely finding its footing on the global stage. It was a period of economic reforms, political stabilization, and infrastructural development. The oil and gas sector was beginning to flourish, attracting international investors and propelling the economy forward. By the mid-2000s, Azerbaijan was undergoing a rapid urbanization process. Its capital, Baku, was evolving into a bustling metropolis, a blend of ancient charm and modern elegance. The city's skyline, once dominated by Soviet-era structures, was now dotted with sleek skyscrapers and architectural marvels. Meanwhile, the countryside was not left behind. The mid-2010s saw a notable shift towards sustainable agriculture, ecotourism, and rural development. The enchanting landscapes of Gobustan, the timeless beauty of Sheki, and the tranquil serenity of Nakhchivan began attracting visitors from all over the world. The 2020s marked the onset of a digital revolution in Azerbaijan. The government took significant steps to embrace digitalization, fostering an environment conducive for startups and tech innovation. This era also saw a surge in cultural revival, with the Azerbaijani language, music, and art gaining global recognition. Fast forward to 2024, and Azerbaijan stands as a testament to the power of resilience and the spirit of transformation. From a struggling post-Soviet state to a vibrant, dynamic nation, the journey has been nothing short of extraordinary. In summary, this video encapsulates the remarkable transformation of Azerbaijan since 1991. From the early days of independence marked by political and economic challenges, through the growth phase dominated by infrastructural development and urbanization, to the current era of digital revolution and cultural revival, the country has come a long way. The story of Azerbaijan is a beacon of hope, a testament to the indomitable human spirit, and a reminder that change, though often difficult, can lead to beautiful destinations. The journey of Azerbaijan continues, and the world watches in anticipation of what the future holds for this vibrant nation.